Welcome back to AI Hustle USA, the channel where we break down how everyday Americans are using artificial intelligence to create real income streams without quitting their jobs or having a tech background. If you'd have been hearing about people making money with AI, and you were wondering if it's real or just another internet hype, stay with me because in this video I am going to show you exactly how beginners in the United States can start an AI side hustle step by step. This is not theory. This is not motivation only. This is a practical beginner guide that anyone watching can actually follow. So whether you're a student, a 9-to-5 employee, a stay-at-home parent, or someone just tired of rising bills and inflation, this video might literally change how you think about money in 2026. Let me start with something important that nobody tells you. You do not need to be a programmer. You do not need to know coding. And you do not need to be a tech genius to start an AI side hustle in the USA. The biggest mistake beginners make is thinking AI is only for Silicon Valley engineers. That's completely wrong. Today, AI tools are built specifically for normal people, and Americans are using them to save time, automate work, and sell services that businesses are already paying for. The opportunity right now is massive because businesses want AI, but they don't know how to use it, and that gap is where your side hustle lives. Now, before we go into how to start, let's understand what an AI side hustle actually means. An AI side hustle is not building your own artificial intelligence from scratch. Instead, it's using existing AI tools to solve problems for people or businesses and getting paid for it. In the United States, companies are spending billions on automation, content creation, marketing, customer support, and data analysis. AI can do all of this faster and cheaper, and if you know how to operate these tools, you become extremely valuable. Think of yourself not as an AI expert, but as an AI operator. The first step to starting any AI side hustle is choosing the right direction. Beginners fail because they try to do everything at once. You don't need 10 AI skills. You need one skill that is in demand. Some of the most beginner-friendly AI side hustles in the USA right now include AI content creation for social media, AI copywriting for businesses, AI video creation for YouTube and TikTok, AI chatbots for small businesses, AI resume and LinkedIn optimization, and AI automation services for local businesses. These are not future ideas. These are services people are already paying for today. Let's talk about mindset for a moment, because this is where most people quit before they even start. You might be thinking, the market is too competitive, or AI will replace everyone. The truth is, AI doesn't replace people who know how to use AI. It replaces people who ignore it. Right now in the USA, there are millions of small businesses that don't have time to learn AI tools. They would rather pay someone $500, $1,000, or even $5,000 a month to handle AI-powered tasks for them. Your goal is not to compete with AI. Your goal is to control it. Now let's get practical. Step number 1 is picking one AI tool and mastering it. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper, Midjourney, DALL-E, Pictory, Runway, and automation platforms like Zapier are extremely powerful. But beginners make the mistake of learning all of them at once. Instead, choose one tool based on your interest. If you like writing, focus on AI writing tools. If you like visuals, focus on AI image or video tools. If you like business systems, focus on automation. Master one tool until you can confidently use it to deliver results. Once you've chosen your tool, the next step is learning how Americans are actually making money with it. Don't guess. Go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, and search for AI-related services. You'll see real people charging real money. This is market research, and it's completely free. Look at what services are selling the most, how they describe their offers, and what problems they solve. This will give you a clear idea of what clients want, not what you think they want. Now comes the most important part: creating your offer. An offer is not just, I use AI. Nobody pays for that. People pay for results. Instead of saying, I use ChatGPT, say I help small businesses generate high-converting email campaigns using AI. Instead of saying, I create AI videos, Say, I help brands grow on TikTok and YouTube using AI-generated videos. In the USA, businesses care about one thing: return on investment. If your offer saves time, saves money, or makes money, you will get clients. At this stage, many beginners get stuck because they think they need a website or a big brand. You don't. To start, all you need is one platform. Pick Fiverr, Upwork, or even LinkedIn. Create a clean professional profile and clearly explain what problem you solve. Use simple language. Americans value clarity and confidence. Show examples, even if they are practice samples. It's better to show something than nothing. Let's talk about pricing, because this is where fear kicks in. Beginners underprice themselves because they think nobody will pay. That's a mistake. In the USA, cheap services are often seen as low quality. Start with reasonable pricing. You don't need to charge thousands on day one, but don't work for pennies either. Remember, AI allows you to deliver results faster, which means you can handle more clients without burning out. Another powerful way to start your AI side hustle is targeting local businesses. This is highly underrated. Think about real estate agents, dentists, gyms, restaurants, and local service providers. Most of them are not using AI properly. You can help them with AI chatbots, social media content, review responses, appointment automation, and email follow-ups. These businesses prefer monthly services, which means recurring income. One client paying $500 per month is better than chasing 10 one-time gigs. Now let's address the question everyone asks: how long does it take to make money? The honest answer is, it depends on action. Some people land clients in their first week. Others take a month. The ones who succeed are not smarter. They are more consistent. They learn, apply, improve, and repeat. AI rewards action takers. If you watch videos but never apply, nothing changes. If you apply even imperfectly, you start winning. One thing I want you to understand is that AI side hustles are scalable. This is not trading time for money forever. Once you know what works, you can automate parts of your workflow, raise your prices, or even turn your service into an agency. Many Americans are already building six-figure businesses this way, starting from zero. The opportunity window is open right now, but it won't stay this wide forever. Another major advantage of starting an AI side hustle in the USA is payment infrastructure. Platforms like PayPal, Stripe, and direct bank transfers make it easy to get paid. Businesses trust AI services more than ever, especially after seeing how much time and money automation saves them. If you position yourself correctly, clients will come to you instead of you chasing them. Let me give you a reality check. You will feel confused at first. You will feel slow. You will doubt yourself. That's normal. Every successful AI hustler you see online started exactly where you are. The difference is they didn't quit. They kept learning, testing, and improving. AI is evolving fast, but that's actually good news, because it means there will always be demand for people who stay updated. Before we wrap this up, let me say this clearly. The biggest mistake you can make in 2026 is ignoring AI. The second biggest mistake is waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time doesn't exist. Start messy, start small, start now. One skill, one tool, one platform. That's it. If you follow this approach, your AI side hustle can grow faster than you ever imagined. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because on AI Hustle USA, we break down real AI money-making strategies for beginners and advanced hustlers in the United States. Drop a comment below and tell me which AI side hustle you want to start, and I'll personally guide you in the next video. This is your sign to stop watching from the sidelines and start building your AI income today.